Welcome back to iCanMod, and this is part officially number 4, video 5 of our Clean This series, and today we're going to talk about cleaning fans. Alright, this one's only going to be a quick video. Cleaning fans is fairly straightforward, it's nothing too involved. Most of the time, a lot of the time you can just get away with dusting them out if you're doing it frequently. But some things you might need if you do need to deep clean your fans. We're going to be using chemicals and black nitrile gloves. The chemicals we're using are isopropyl alcohol, 90% or higher. This one's 99.8 and this one's 99. So we'll stick with this one till we get it finished. A can of compressed air, and obviously, just in case you need them, the precision Q-tips. All these parts, I will put links to them obviously in the contents below, but if you want more info as to why we use these, check out the intro video to the Clean This series, which will be linked at the end of the video. So, let me get the camera set up, get zoomed in on this fan, and I'm just going to talk you through how I go about cleaning a fan. Here we've got one of the fans from the case that we did our dismantle on, so from the NZXT H500 case. So it is one of the NZXT fans. I have another one here that I'll grab as well. We obviously don't need to do both, but I'll just show you how to do one. We also have two thermal take fans with blue LEDs in them that we need to clean too, but we don't need to do them in this video. So what I'm doing now is I'm just getting some gloves on. Even though these don't need a full deep clean, I'm still going to do the same process just so you can see how I go about cleaning the fans. So first things first, trusty can of compressed air or your electric blower if you've got one. First things first, hold the fan. Do not let it spin like this. That can be very dangerous. Okay, so I always hold the fan with a couple of fingers and then just give it a nice blow. Remember, if you're using compressed air, keep the can horizontal. Yeah. All right, so that should be any sort of surface dust taken care of. If the cable's dusty, which this one isn't, just get some shop towel and put some isopropyl alcohol on the shop towel and just wipe it down and that'll be fine. But if you've got a fan that's had years of built up dust and grime and yuck, I guess, you're going to want to clean the blades of the fan. So we're not going to need a lot of isopropyl alcohol, but I just put it in the top of that lid. Literally, and it's tedious, but if you want to do this correctly, this is what you're going to do. I just soak up a bit of the isopropyl alcohol onto the Q-tip, and then it's just a matter of literally going over every inch of the fan. That is really, that's how quickly it is to clean a fan. You can obviously get a little bit more in depth with that because obviously I don't need to because mine's so clean. But you're just going to go over every area, every part with the isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip, and that'll get you back to A-OK, nice and clean. Alright, so let me just clean this up and I'll be back. So that is how to clean a case fan. Now pretty much every fan is going to be the same unless it's coming from a graphics card, but we'll show you more about how to do that when we pull apart a graphics card and clean that, because they can be connected in a different way, whereas a case fan is an enclosed unit. But yeah, if you've got any questions about specific fans and things like that, throw them in the comments below. As usual, just if you could like and subscribe, that'd be great. As I mentioned in the motherboard video, we are cruising along and we're getting more and more subscribers, so we've taken a big jump. So that means hopefully we're doing the right thing, and we want to do the videos that you want to see. So let us know what you want to see, and from us here at iCanMod, as always, keep building and keep learning.